Hey you guys, on today's version of Timely Tech Corner, we're going to explore how to create drop-down lists in Excel. This is very helpful when you have categories and lists that goes into reports, and you need to make sure that all the information is consistent. So what we want to do in this particular case, we are going to create a drop-down list for our collections. That way, as our collections grow, we can input them and we can ensure that they all are consistent as far as naming. So what you want to do is to select the column that you would like the information to remain consistent for, and we're choosing the one for the collection name. You want to go to data. When you get to data, you want to use data validation. From the drop down menu, you want to select data validation. And then from there, you will see that it lands on the settings tab. And under allow, you want to select the drop down box and you're going to select list. You want it to allow information specifically from a certain list. Go down to the source field, click in there so you can get there. Then you want to go where the information is of the list of items that you want to be consistent in that column. And so here I have a list of the different collections that I have. And so you could just select the range, but what I would recommend doing, because your list may grow, is just to go ahead and select that whole column. If you select the whole column, when you get new information or new collections or new criteria or data that fills that column, it will automatically update that list so you don't have to keep going in to change it. So click OK, and let's see if it works. So let's go ahead and start to fill this out. And let's see, we want to select, we're going to go ahead and go with the clutter-free collection. Two different ways you could do it. You could type it in. If you type it in and it's already been typed in previous cells, it'll automatically start to type in. If you type it in and you type in the wrong thing, let's spell clutter with just one T and then do free. What you'll see is that it won't allow you to type it because it doesn't match. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions and defined for this cell. So it's not going to allow us to do that. Another cool way to do it, if you don't want to keep moving your mouse, once you click into the cell where you want that information to go, hit the Alt key on your keyboard and the down arrow key. And it'll drop down all of those items in that list. And you'll see that what we saw when it first came up was all those blank spaces at the end. Typically, it does not do that. But so from here, we're going to select ALG Clutter Free because that's what it's going to be from now on. And there you have it. You have your drop-down list. All of your information is consistent. You can go back and duplicate that information to previous cells as well. This has been today's instance of Timely Tech Corner. Again, just ways to get the office efficient and automated. Please support our merch and our channel. We're all about technology, humanities, and self-love. All of those things are a big circle around each other in today's age. Technology, humanities, and self-love. That's what we're about.